I wonder how much longer I'm going to stay at 87, meaning that I have no friends. Seriously, now the 86. Somebody actually, unfriended me. I think that shit is funny. See, you need to understand the flip side of what it had to do with the second coming. See, the first coming had to do with the fact that Jesus Christ cultivated you as friends. I told you I ain't here for friends. I want to know where you stand. And when you actually call yourself unfriended me, you basically have told me you ready to stand alone. Good. What's the problem? Because see, you have an opinion. Let's see how it flies. You butterfly, you transformation. Seriously, you are actually looking at your ass in the mirror. And you still trying to sit there and sell somebody else's shit. Sell your own, motherfuckers. I don't give a fuck about the fact that you have a problem with me. I want you to sell your own goddamn shit. Don't sell mine. Sell your own. Because, see, the devil taught you how to what? Profit off of me. When you gonna profit off of yourself? You know some shit. Seriously, you went to church or you went to school or you wrote a book and all that kind of shit. When you gonna start profiting off of your own goddamn shit? Cause see, the most sorry nigga is always a nigga who uses somebody else's shit. We're all in this together. No, we're not. Collective consciousness is one thing. But the thing is, you have to understand something. An individualized mind actually can teach you something. I don't want to hear about what somebody else told you. I want to hear about what you think. You say you're ready to ascend. So you motherfuckers come correct. Now you tell me how you ready to ascend, and you tell me exactly why I should believe in your bullshit. Oh, you can't do that because that's like what? Homework. You have to look at yourself. You have to look at how you raise your families, who your friends are. You gotta do all kind of shit. And at the same time, you also have to come back to me and say, "Oh, I unfriended you." Yeah, when you go through all that inventory, understand how you came back to me. Now, whoever was number, I don't know, he's unfriended me. Could have been a she, I don't care. The thing is, see, when you actually call yourself now unfriended me, and then you say, oh, if I just get away from this shit, I told you, ostriches just stick their head in the sand. You got a problem because the thing is, see, there's no church, so you can't go back to the church. Seriously, I don't give a fuck what modality you think you have. Do you understand what Revelations was about when Christ said, I will break the seal to the church? That means you motherfuckers, y'all go to church. But the thing is, if you didn't go to church before I broke the seal, you fucked. End of story. You are just that fucked. And those of you who actually are still holding on to your faith, you okay. But what dick sucking and ass taking motherfucker. Why would I sit there and keep that shit intact? Seriously. I mean, Bannon's sitting there like he gonna ready to take on the Catholic Church. Bitch. I mean, you know he's a demon. He's doing it because he can. Because I broke the seal to the church. I don't care. Because you don't belong to me. The ones who do, I've already claimed. There's no refuge there. The refuge is in your heart. Do you think I won't let these motherfuckers who call themselves spiritists have a refuge? I told you, this is war. It's a game of war, and it's also a game of chance. In the sense, you trip upon yourself. You think that you can trade on some shit. I mean, at least man do that shit. I mean, if you want to know an example. That bitch would trade on anybody's secret. She ain't gonna trade on mine because my shit is already done. So how's she gonna sit there and tell you go back to church? Just like Doreen said the same shit. I told you y'all stupid. I told you y'all so stupid. You say what? No. You can't do that. First off, no, I can't do anything. My father can. And what's getting ready to happen, because you got to live it. I mean, seriously. They sitting there trying to figure out how to tell you how to live your best life. And then they going to sit there and tell you that they don't know some shit. Who left? He said Nanya. Nanya left. Nanya is stupid. Mm-hmm. Not my business. Because I asked him, I said, who left? He said, I don't care about them. You don't care about him. You talk more shit than you should. Oh, God. Can I go back to sleep? He said, if I want to. Because I really am tired. I'm tired. And shit. Oh, man. Seriously. And I did buy some more ground beef. Shit was in the freezer. I took shit out. I forgot I took shit out. I want a hamburger. This is for all you fucking vegans. I'm gonna eat as much meat as I want to. Because you done told me I need to eat some nutritious food. Cow. You want me to pay you to eat? Fuck you. I'm getting ready to screw everybody on this planet when you talk shit. Because the thing is, the world of co-creation is a world of coexistence. And your ass will use a dead man's platform, even as it came out of your cunt, to sit there and do your agenda, and you think I don't see that shit? Miss Mama to Gypsy Hustle. At the same time, you had the nerve to tell everybody and their mama how you have the gift to see death. You know what death is? It's not life. Don't you? Don't fuck with me. And don't open your mouth and tell me what your gifts are. That bitch opened her mouth and told me what her gift was. And it's a lineage. She didn't just say it for herself. She said it for her mama. See, I told you. This shit is generational. And now you sit there trying to figure out what the fuck is going on. And she is a former queen of Africa. A former queen. Crowned in authority. Trying to regain that crown. She can't reclaim what is not hers. Well, the Jews did that shit. I told you, y'all stupid. You really don't understand the story as it's been bent. That's why you go to war. About bullshit. You ain't listening to me to teach you, because you know all the shit, right? I mean, basically, I'm pointing shit out that you already know, right? You know exactly why all these motherfuckers who are psychic and spiritists and mediums and more, you know exactly why they do what they do. You know why they unfriended me? Because, see, it's all about unfriending. What a friend we have in Jesus. We ain't got no friend in Jesus. That's why I ain't tripping when they sit there and friend me. The thing is, see, they can't go to zero because the thing is, some of these people on my friends list are dead. They died. They dead. You know, a dead man cannot push a button and say, I unfriend you. They're just dead. What you gonna do? I'm waiting for you to sit there and give me a pithy retort. Go to hell, people. Bye.